Good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome back. We are in the regional capital of Sylhet, Sylhet city. I've not been here for a while. In fact, I only just passed through it on the way from the airport, and we're here on a mission. We're going to try and get my drone fixed, because if you remember, way earlier on this trip, yes, I had that unfortunate incident with it, which you'll see in an earlier vlog. In the thumbnail of me drinking tea, you'll see some footage of what happened, and Arfin is here with me to help me out.
Hi.
To do any translations for me as such. So we're in a little bit of a shopping mall called Korimulla Market. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
So we're going up onto the first floor, maybe further. I'm just following
New
Arfin.
mobile plan. Available mobile.
So see where he takes me. No, the next level. Going up and up. So that's the first floor. We're now going to the second floor. No, still going up the next level. I've lost count. Is it the third floor we're about to hit? Oh. Yeah, I forgot this. I can't handle steps as much. So he's checking it out on his phone. How far is this? Oh, that's a business card on his phone now. She'll keep going. He knows better than me. Oh, that guy didn't seem to know. So on we plod on our quest to find the shop. I really felt those steps there. Looks like the next level then, according to that gentleman there. Back up those knackering stairs. Oh, and they do have a lift just there. If I'd known that, that would have been the easy way up for me. Let's see what we have here. Here. It seems to be you can buy all the phone accessories, whatever you want from up here, and seems to be a lot cheaper than what you would buy in Europe. I think we found it.
The information is আমরা একটা ড্রোন ক্যামেরা বলতে ফোকাস হয় না ভিডিও হয় না
and the gimbal is a bit loose as well. Oh, we're going behind.
ভাই আপনার ক্যামেরার নাম কই?
DJI Air 2S. Yeah. So Dhaka. Okay, so it looks like they can't do it there, and we'll have to get it done in Dhaka. I'll just make sure that's in properly. Yeah. Okay. You have to watch out for the propellers there. Okay. All is not at a loss there because we're in Sylhet. We're going to have a look around anyway, and it's a great city. So a few sights and sounds which I've seen other vloggers like Gabriel Traveller and Luke Damont have visited. So I could check them out too and give you my perspective on them. There could be another shopping centre nearby we're going to check out, just on the off chance that they could have a look at the drone. But here we are on to the hustle and bustle of the streets of Sylhet. And a load of Bangladesh flags there in front of me. And we have to go back there. I want to see later on at that market stall, Arfin, with the Bangladesh flag. See there. So we'll go there when we come back. Unless we go now and have a look. Got to dodge the traffic. Yeah. Dodge this traffic here.
Small flag or big flag?
Big one.
Big one.
Yeah. Like this one. How big is that one? Yeah. And how much is that?
250. আমি একটু বার্গেটিং করি।
Okay.
ওকে 100 100ই তো নাই লাস্ট কত পারবা হ্যাঁ 120 টাকা দিন ভাই না ভাই 100 টাকা দিলাম না 120 টাকা দিন 120
120. Okay. Okay, hold that. So getting the flag for 120 taka, bargaining it down from how much was the full price? 250 was it?
250.
And we got it down.
Half price.
So we got it down to 120.
120.
Fashon banki আছে 20 টাকা আছে
আছে
So that's the first bargain of the day sorted for a very large Bangladesh flag. You know, that's fine. Thank you.
The Bangladesh fixed price নাই bargaining করা লাগে half দাম কম হবে ওইকে 250 আমি 120 দিলইছি bargaining.
So well done to Arfin with his bargaining skills. So just to reiterate, full price was 250 and he got it down to 120 for us. So if ever you're in Bangladesh, you need him with you.
Logic আছে আপনি দেখছে foreigner and then he high price কইছে.
So basically he saw me as a foreigner.
আমরা তো বাঙালি আমরারে তারা চিনে
So because he saw me as a foreigner, he thought he'd chance his arm and state the higher price, which is what they do in a lot of these places, don't they? We're in another shopping centre now, going up their stairs just to try our luck on the off chance, because if they can sort us out.
ভাই ক্যামেরা ঠিক করে তুলবে
ক্যামেরা ওনা তো একটা দোকান আছে ওই লাগাটা
তো বলতে লাগে
আর এর নিচে তো আপনি এবি বাবুলি লিখুন
নিচে
নিচে এই সব না
Back down we go. What did he say?
off
Oh, closed.
close
Oh.
বলছি দোকান সব ক্লোজ তোমরা নিচ ফ্লোরে যাও গিয়ে খুঁজো
Okay, so he said that the place on the top, which you may have glanced at briefly with the camera signage outside it, was closed, so he suggested we go back down and there might be another place to try our luck at. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Asen.
Yeah.
We vlogging kori, ami IC Sylhet, foila din vlogging.
Hi, from you come.
I'm from Hobbygunge. I'm British, but I live in Ireland.
What's your ambition? You are blogging here for her. By what cause?
For fun, to document my journey. Isn't that what vlogging's about? Isn't that what you think, guys? আপনার নাম কি?
Roshan.
ভাই ক্যামেরা ঠিক করে কোন জায়গা জানেন না?
ক্যামেরা তো সামনে ঠিক করে। কি জাত ক্যামেরা?
ওই ড্রোন ক্যামেরা।
ড্রোন ক্যামেরা।
জানেন নি?
স্পেসিফিকলি তো ক্যামেরা তো দুই জায়গা উপরে গেছে পাইছেন না।
উপরে তো সব অফ।
সামনে একজন আছে ঠিক করে।
সে
ওইটা দিয়ে ইলেকট্রনিক্স।
আচ্ছা আসুন ভাই।
I have to some talk to you.
Yes, yeah. Have you got your phone? I'll direct you, and you will be in it. Do you have your phone?
Yes, I'm at the
I will.
business here.
If you take it out, I'll show you my YouTube channel.
I have YouTube channel.
Yes,
What's the name of your YouTube channel?
Rue Photography and Travels.
Travels.
You won't remember it if you type it into the phone.
I have no MB in this time. You have to have MB. I have no MB in this.
Oh, you mean no data?
Yeah.
Okay. Just take a photo of this.
Just I want to know, show you the plugins.
This is my YouTube channel. That Rue Photography and Travels.
Oh, shells. Yeah. Lots of flowers.
Yeah.
So free.
So I've done most of them in Hobbygonj so far. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you take a photo of this, it will help you to remember.
Yeah.
Sobi tolen ekta.
Okay.
Tudialaw sobi. Phone dia tulo.
ছবি তুলে দাও জানতো দেলওয়ার এটা ছবি তুলে দাও
এটা ছবি তুলে
Hopefully he'll subscribe to me. So many people have taken photos of my channel from my phone because they don't have any data. So once they get it, hopefully they'll sort me out. Yeah. Take a photo sobi tulen. No, not this. No. Oh no. I'm butchona. Yeah. He didn't understand. He thought he wanted a photo of the person.
Now when I'm searching, I will got your all picture. Or report to government travels when I'm searching your
Okay.
blogging it.
Hopefully you can read that. There's too much glare.
You should then work with the rural people. You should the rural people. You should
Watch my vlogs and you will see what I've done so far.
yes, so far.
Yeah, because this first time I'm in the big city.
Big city.
It's been mostly rural so far.
Yeah, but it's our city is a big city.
Oh, I know that. That's what I'm here.
You've got lots of cause the blogging here, the street people, the technician. You should take some picture of our technician who are the live is the very poor life. You should show the.
If I get an opportunity to, I will. But the thing with my way of documenting, I like to walk around and allow things to happen by random chance rather than to plan things. Unless, of course, I'm on a mission, which I'm doing right now to get something fixed.
Stay there.
And then I happen to encounter lovely people like yourself.
Yeah.
So that's what makes the vlog more interesting.
Okay.
So this is the way I work it. Okay, brother.
Okay, brother.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
for your
very
company.
much. I am very
And-
pleased to meet you.
And this will be up maybe in about 2 or 3 weeks' time. So look out for
You
it.
should come here
Okay.
regularly. I will give sometimes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz. Thank you. That was a pleasant enough gentleman there. And Arfin, what did you say? Did you find something?
Yes.
Okay.
ভাই আইতাম নি ভাই দিতে আই জুতা কুল্লাই
Oh.
বারে আছে
So we have to take our shoes off, which is customary in a lot of places. You get to see my tootsies.
সমস্যা কিটা
সমস্যা বলতে ভাই ভিডিও হয় না ব্লার হয়ে যাবে
It's not focusing. Focus হয় না ভালো. আর gimbal একটু loose.
আমি ভিডিও ইয়া ফোন দি মনে কাবুল ফোকাস হয় না
না a close focus হয় কিন্তু দূর focus হয় না and main thing is দূর focus crash হইছে এর লাগি
এগুলো সময় দিতে হবে কাজ করতে হলে সময় দেওয়া লাগবে
কত সময়
আজকে হইতো না
আজকে হইতো না
so he's telling us that it won't be done today or he turned it on then by mistake. I'll just switch it off then it's off
আজকে হইতো না
so we won't be back here again will we আমরা ফিরাই আইমনি আবার সিলেটে
আজকে হইতো না অনুযায়ী রাখিয়া যায় তারা দিব কত সময় লাগবে ভাই আজকে
সময় লাগবে
আজকে রাত্রে নিতে পারবো না রাত্রে
এটা সেনসিটিভ কাজ সময় দেওয়া লাগে আপনার
আপনার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স আছে নি আর ঠিক করছেন নি ভাইয়া ডিজাই মাইন্ড করি না আপনি ভাই
জি জি
ডিজাই ঠিক করছি
জি না
ওকে আমরা আইবে
আচ্ছা okay. So he's had no experience from fixing DJI, so we're gonna go for a walk and discuss our options. Thank you. To put our shoes back on. So what I figured, the gentleman was honest with us. He said he'd never ever handled such equipment as mine, as in the drone. So I'm going to give it a miss because if it's his first time doing it, he could make a cock up of things. So I'll just grin and bear it anyway. If you're into your voodoo, some chicken legs for you. It seems to be a bit of a livestock mart as we're walking through this section. We've come to the end of it there. But I saw some guys coming through holding rabbits as well as the chickens back there as well. Oh, some more chicken legs and gizzards or whatever they have there. This is fun. Yeah, so basically Sylhet is in the northeast region of Bangladesh. It's a provincial or regional capital and it's where all the money is. So apparently the property in this part of the country is on par or if not more valuable than what you get in the capital of Dhaka. That's because a lot of the people are former expats who are living in the UK. So over 90% of Indian restaurants which you'll find in the UK, they're all Bangladeshi owned and run, and most of them come from this part of Bangladesh. Almost side out.